Yo, what's up guys? I'm going to be showing you guys a new video, a new game called Runbird. It's from the makers of, what the heck? Okay. So it looks like you're moving. You try not to get in the gap or some candy. Oh, it's a trap. Okay, so. Oh, it shows you where it's coming back down. What can you even do with the candy? I don't understand. Oh. Whew. I got out of there. That's no, I don't want to play Candy Crush. I'm doing it. That time you can't do anything about that. But this is called Runbird Run. It's kind of fun, interesting. I don't know how you use the candy though. That'd be nice to know. I think it's on the App Store and featured. I'm pretty sure.
Once you get it, it's +1.
Yeah, I don't know what the candy's for, but it's weird. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me playing Runbird Run, and hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and